You see many people on YouTube who could get more than 1 million subscribers with just one video. And you have been asked how it is possible for a person to get more than 1 million subscribers by uploading a video. It is interesting to know that the same thing happened to one of my channels. I am going to tell you my experiences today. The first thing you should do, try to entertain the audience until the end of the video. If you don't have many viewers, just focus on making your video with quality so that the audience who enters the video will see more of the video. And if you do this, you have a great chance to beat the algorithm, beat YouTube. Before we move on to the next one, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am going to post the next video on 0 to 100 methods of withdrawing income from YouTube. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. The last thing to pay attention to is the viewing time. The most important secret to defeating the viewing time algorithm is the viewing time of my video is 90%. And this shows that I was successful in making the video. If your video is a 30-minute video, according to the Vidic channel, it is enough for 40% of your videos to be seen. If you have seen this part of the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next video about receiving income from YouTube.